Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday, June 13th, 2026 at 13:42, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for today. In the Day 2 outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of northeastern Georgia, eastern Tennessee, northern South Carolina, much of North Carolina, much of Virginia, eastern West Virginia, eastern Ohio, much of Pennsylvania, all of Maryland, Washington, D.C., all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, much of New York State, western to central Connecticut, western to central Massachusetts, southern Vermont, and southwestern New Hampshire. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of western Maine, central to northern New Hampshire, northern Vermont, northern New York State, back through central to eastern Ohio, central to western West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, western Virginia, eastern to middle Tennessee, northwestern Alabama, central Georgia, eastern to central South Carolina, and southeastern North Carolina. We have another marginal that encompasses parts of southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, and basically going from eastern through central Texas into southern New Mexico. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. We have New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Charlotte, and Washington, D.C. under the slight, and Dallas, Fort Worth, Cleveland, Atlanta, and Arlington under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of southeastern and southern Pennsylvania, including my area, southern New Jersey, all of Delaware, much of Maryland, Washington, D.C., and central to eastern Virginia. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for tomorrow. We have Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Norfolk, and Chesapeake under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 30% that encompasses parts of extreme northern North Carolina, central to east northern Virginia, Washington, D.C., much of Maryland, southeastern and eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, Delaware, all of Delaware, all of New Jersey, southeastern New York State. We have a 15% that encompasses parts of southern Vermont, southwestern New Hampshire, western to central Massachusetts, western to central Connecticut, much of New York State, much of Pennsylvania, central to western Pennsylvania, I should say, western Maryland, eastern Ohio, eastern West Virginia, southwestern to southern Virginia, eastern Tennessee, much of North Carolina, northeastern Georgia, and northern South Carolina. We have a 5% that encompasses southeastern North Carolina, central to eastern South Carolina, central Georgia, eastern Alabama, middle to eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, western Virginia, central to western West Virginia, eastern Ohio, parts of northern New York State, northern Vermont, central to northern New Hampshire, and western Maine. We also have another 5% over here that encompasses parts of southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, through central Texas, and southern New Mexico. So we do have those areas as well under a 5%. So we could see, we have New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., and Virginia Beach under the 30%. Charlotte, Raleigh, Pittsburgh, Greensboro, and Durham under the 15%. And Dallas, Fort Worth, Boston, Cleveland, and Atlanta under the 5%. So for the 30% area, we could see 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible tomorrow. 15% we could see 60 to 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. 5% we could see 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 5% that encompasses southern New Mexico and western Texas. And we have another 5% that encompasses parts of central to eastern Virginia, Washington, D.C., central to southern Maryland, southern and eastern Pennsylvania, including my area, all of Delaware, most of New Jersey. So we do have those areas under a 5% tomorrow. And nope, okay, never mind, we're good. So we could see, let's see here. We have Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Richmond, and Arlington under the 5%. So we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible in the 5% areas tomorrow. Going into the summary for tomorrow, It says, scattered severe thunderstorms capable of damaging wind gusts are expected across the mid-Atlantic vicinity Sunday afternoon and evening. Additional strong to severe storms are expected across the upper Ohio Valley and lower Great Lakes areas. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. And there's a reset. Here's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and depending on what my iPad's battery does, I will have my Day 1 outlook tomorrow morning. There you got to see the low power mode thing. But anyway, again, depending on what my iPad's battery does, I hope to have my severe weather outlook tomorrow for Day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.